Hello, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an asylum type game in gimkit. Now, if you don't know what an asylum type game is, it's a game where every time you play, you'll get like a different weapon to start off randomly with. Now, for the first step, you're going to want to get a life cycle right here, and the settings make it on game start. It should already be like this on default. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to grab every single weapon you want to put in the game and just put it into a item granter and then make it put on a channel. So for every single one, for example, I got all the common weapons in gimkit. Now you're going to want to go to your life cycle again and place down a trigger. This. Then you're going to want to go into your trigger, go into blocks, and then hit create new block. Now, for the block code, I will show you. This is the block code you want to copy. You're going to want to get your variable, name it anything you want. I used random weapon in this case. Then you want to get it to set random weapon to random integer, which is in the math area right here. It's from 1, which is right there. You can get any number you want, to 11 or how many ever gadgets you put in. Then you're going to want to get an if do, which is in logic, and add into this however many gadgets you had. I had 11 here, so that's what I did. And you're going to make it do on if random weapon equals 1, or your first number. And on do, you're going to want to put broadcast message on channel, and then one of your random weapons. Then just repeat this process a few times, and if you still don't understand, then you can just copy all the block code that's right here. Now, if you did all of that correctly, you should be able to go here, and boom, you got a random weapon, right? And it's not the same thing every time. So, for example, now this time, it'll be, okay, I just got a little unlucky there. Now it's pricklet and all that other stuff. Now, here's another step. Now you want to grab another life cycle. Let's get to player knocked out. Now you want to grab another trigger. The settings for this trigger will be trigger by collision, no. Invisible in game, no. You should also do this for the first trigger. It's over here. Now you want to wire these two together. Then occurs trigger. You want to go back into the trigger settings, go to blocks, then go to when triggered. So you want to go to essentials now, go to broadcast message on channel, and say trigger 1. Put that there. You want to go back to the first trigger, go to its channel, trigger 1 receiving on, trigger 1. Now whenever they're knocked out, their weapon would change. Now for the in-game settings, you want to go to options. Options in particular, and then you want to go all options, items, go to items, and then go here, allow gadget drop, say no, allow usable drop, say no, allow resource drop, say no, gadget respawn behavior, delete, item respawn behavior, delete, resource respawn behavior, delete. Then you just keep it like that. Now you want to grab your sentry and just place him down there. Doing the legendary twister, keep his settings however. Be sure he's on team sentry. Now we're going to test this out in game. So I start off with this, and then he's gonna knock me out here. Now I have this weapon, so as you can see, everything works. Alright, that's all for this video. If this helped you out, please like the video or subscribe, because that would be very helpful for the channel. And goodbye.